person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world. Most of us would have rather money than tangible wealth, and a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. We are destroying nature. We are so tied up in our minds that we've lost our senses. Time to wake up.
I'm not trying to put you down. It's an expression of you as you are. One must live. We need to survive, to go on. We must go on.